Assalamualaikum everyone, hope you guys are doing great and welcome back to my YouTube channel. आज वीडियो बड़े ही मजे की होने वाली है because I'm gonna reveal my Eid outfit 2026 plus I will break it down for you guys, so watch till end. So मेरी first outfit की inspo थी short shirt and flayed palazzo. I was head over heels for this outfit and it was trending on Insta as well. Next I thought to go with farshi shalwar क्योंकि it was in my bucket list since last year. And finding Pakistani dresses in India with good quality is not less than few and far between. So I thought I will get them stitched for myself. So let's look at my outfit 1, 3, 2 and 1. So yup, this is how it turned out. I am telling you before only, the camera is not doing justice with the dress because it's so beautiful, so perfectly stitched. And to be honest, more than my expectations. सो ड्रेसेस के पैटर्न्स डिसाइड करने के बाद आई वेंट फॉर हंटिंग कलर्स फॉर दिस ड्रेस. ऑनेस्टली मुझे सुर्ख रंग ही चाहिए था, दैट डीप शेड ऑफ मरून. इन केस अगर वो मुझे नहीं मिलता तो आई थॉट टू गो विथ सम अदर कलर, बट लकीली मुझे वो कलर मिल गया फर्स्ट शॉप पे ही. सो दिस क्लोथ इज ऑफ जॉर्जेट मटेरियल एंड पर मीटर मुझे ये ₹100 से मिला था. सो इट कॉस्टेड में ₹750 बिकॉज आई परचेज 7.5 मीटर, जिसमें 5 मीटर अप एंड बॉटम के लिए था एंड 2 मीटर दुपट्टे के लिए था. लाइनिंग के लिए जो क्लॉथ यूज हुआ था वो कॉटन था एंड मुझे लाइनिंग के लिए लाइक अराउंड 4.5 से 5 मीटर क्लॉथ कुछ यूज हुआ, तो उसके मुझे 400 रुपीज कुछ हुए थे. टेलर अंकल को मैंने सारे इंस्ट्रक्शंस दे दिए थे दैट आई वांटेड अ राउंड नेक विद 3/4 स्लीव्स एंड शॉर्ट शर्ट विद फुल्ली फ्लेयर्ड प्लाजो. So for all this he charged me 1.5k. तो ओवरऑल ड्रेस की कॉस्ट मुझे पड़ी अराउंड 2.7k. So coming to the jewelry, I decided to pair it with Kashmiri churiyan this time instead of going with silver jewelry again and again. I wanted something unique and something that is in trend. तो ओवरऑल ये 2 हाथ के चूड़ियां थे. फुल सेट था चूड़ियों का जो मुझे 300 रुपीज में मिला था विद कश्मीरी चूड़ियां एंड इनर बैंगल्स. टोटली वर्थ इट. क्योंकि मेरा ड्रेस फुल्ली प्लेन था, सो आई वांटेड टू गो विथ हैवी ज्वेलरी. सो आई वाज हैविंग 4 पेयर्स ऑफ इयररिंग्स टू गो विथ दिस आउटफिट. द फर्स्ट पेयर इज दिस ब्यूटीफुल डीप मरून इयररिंग्स. So the second type was this Bahubali or Maharaja earrings. I just wanted to go with opposite, like transition, something sort of it. So let me give you guys a quick styling tip. If your dress is fully plain, then go with heavy jewelry, and if your dress is fully heavy, then go with simplest earrings as possible. Third pair was these long earrings in white and baby pink color, and it was looking good as well. So next fourth pair was again baby pink color. But I just didn't want to go with it. I was just trying it. But in the end, I finalized this deep maroon earrings only because it was looking gorgeous on that outfit. Coming to the second outfit of this Eid, which is completely ruined by the tailor, and I am extremely disappointed after receiving it, and I was in extreme anger that I didn't even completed this outfit. मैंने टेलर अंकल को कम्प्लीटली वीडियोस एंड फोटोज के साथ अपनी इंस्पो भेज दी थी. उसके बावजूद उन्होंने इतनी बुरी कोई स्टिचिंग की है. लुक एट दैट नेक फर्स्ट, स्क्वायर नेक. Who told him to stitch it in square neck, and it is not even completely fully square. I wanted a rectangle shaped neck with that chudidar sleeves, but he have stitched something or other thing that I am not even able to put my hands fully in that outfit. It is extremely tight from hands, loose from sides, and that neck is fully ruined. And that farshi shalwar, it is like one shalwar is big and the other one is small. He have completely ruined my outfit. My money got wasted. So due to all these reasons, I didn't purchase any dupatta on this. Neither I made it customly. Nothing. I just kept that dress inside my almirah and never touched it. So overall, this dress costed me around 2k. So matching jewelry and heels were purchased beforehand only before receiving that dress. So मेरी first choice थी this big silver झुमकास, क्योंकि again dress fully simple है. Next choice was these diamond shaped earrings with some latkans to pair it with that dress as well. Lastly, these Banjara type square shaped earrings would probably match that dress, so that's why. So coming to the most favorite things of this video, and I am like too happy that I decided to purchase this. रमजान के टाइम पर मिंत्रा पे बहुत ही अच्छी सेल चल रही थी। आई एम सॉरी गाइस, उस टाइम मैं अपलोड नहीं कर सकी। ये जो हील्स है ना, दीज आर एक्सट्रीमली एक्सपेंसिव एंड आई गॉट देम इन हाफ ऑफ द बजट। So first is this aesthetic beach color heel, which is extremely giving me that Pinteresty vibe. That cute little bow on each of them, it really gives like that Disney princess vibes. And I actually ordered it to wear on one of my abaya in college event. So at that time, its actual price was around 1600, but I got it in 600. Can you believe? Ramzan ki sale thi guys, and I was too lucky to grab that offer. You guys can still go and check it out. It costs now around 900 something. And I guarantee you guys, there is no compromise in its quality. It's top notch, worth every penny. Okay, so out of all three, these are my most favorite heels. These stiletto heels were in my bucket list from so long time after seeing them on Pinterest, and I finally purchased it. These heels also costed me the same as before. अच्छा, जो ये स्टिलेटो बेस इसका जो है ना, जो सामने के जो पीप टोज है, उससे मुझे थोड़ा-सा लाइक डर लग रहा था, मे बी दैट विल ब्रेक, बट आई हैव worn it and it's so comfortable and it won't break. Mostly तो like 1 to 1.5 years it will not. If you wear it properly, it may last more as well. अच्छा, जो ये तीनों हील्स है ना, तीनों की भी हाइट 3 इंचेस है, सो इट्स नॉट टू लॉन्ग एंड नॉट टू शॉर्ट, comfortable. And luckily, these are also available. You guys can go check the links in my description box. And lastly, the trendsetter heels that were everywhere: Pinterest, Insta, even YouTube Shorts. And why will I stay back? I also grabbed it क्योंकि मुझे मेरे ईद के ड्रेस पे पहनना था, and these heels are perfectly matching my outfit. And the color, the quality, the look, and the feel, everything is top notch. By the way, I got these heels from Meesho, not from Myntra, because Myntra पे थोड़े अलग पैटर्न के heels available थे, but I wanted this pattern only, and it costed me around 700. So yep, I shopped these three beautiful heels, and all of them are so good. मेरे पास थोड़े से चांद रात के क्लिप्स पड़े हुए थे, so I thought why not share them with you all as well. So yep, this is what I wore, and that beautiful henna design was done by one of my closest friend, and she did her job very well. यहाँ पे मैं ये बता रही थी कि मैंने क्या क्या घर के काम किए हैं and all, and a little bit flexing my mehndi. My mother tried rakda at that night and it turned out too good. And then my sister was putting henna to my mother, and that's how we enjoyed that whole night, and we had a lot of fun. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, so do like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Till then, take care and Allah Hafiz.